How to have 5 income streams in multiple funnel income. Let me show you how now. First of all, you go here, it says start here, you go here and you start here, and then it shows you all the links you have. Each capture page has a link. That's why they call them links. There's lots of them. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then you go back into the system again, and it shows you all the training that's included with this. First of all, you get weekly training, then you get marketing system success. Now, this is something that's really worthwhile. This really helps you improve your marketing, so be sure to check these all out. You don't have to do them all at once. Do 1 or 2, whatever you got time for, and then come back and do some more. But be sure to check them out. Then you go back into the system again and exit this training. And it shows you your 7-step training. Now this one here you should do before you get started. At lesson 1, it means work on your personality. Then you got lesson 2, which shows you where and how to get traffic. Then you got lesson 3 that shows you how to do your follow-up. Then you got lesson 4 shows you how to do YouTube ads. Then you got lesson 5 that shows you how to do your Facebook ads. And then you got lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this. And lesson 7, there's some more bonuses in there. Once you get in there, you can take a look at them. Then you go back and exit the training. And then if you go there, you'll see who's all your teams you got. And if you click on here, you'll see all the leads you got. And once you start advertising, look at all the leads you get. And you get an email with each lead, so be sure to follow up. They want to hear from you if you want to work with them. The company follows up, but if you want to work with them, they want to hear from you. So be sure to follow up. Then you go there and you see who's all on the leaderboard, and you go to resources. Now the first thing in resources, it shows you the emails you can use to do your follow-up. You can use these, or you can use your own, whatever you want, but be sure to follow up. And you go back into the resources again, and you can see all the banners you can use to do your advertising. Look at all the banners you get here to help you do your advertising. And you go back into the system again, and it shows you how to do social imaging that you can use for your advertising. All these things really benefit for help you for do your advertising. Then it shows you Facebook posts, how and where to get more traffic. Then I also have, and if you click on there, it shows you all your own businesses. And if you click on there, it shows you your bonus income, which I'll show you later if I don't forget. Okay, now let's just say you like all this and you want to get started. Okay, first of all, you go here, and I'll put a link under the video that you can watch Matt do the presentation of this program. And with that same link, you can join. So once he does the presentation and you see how beneficial it is, I hope you're sure to join, because you won't be sorry. Okay, and then if you go to step 2 and step 3, these are places that you can put your own opportunities in. And if you don't have any, you can use the ones I use. Take a look at them. They're both great opportunities, and they're each under $10 a month. Then you go to your back office, shows you all your stuff in your back office, plus you have Traffic Authority. They've been in business for over 10 years, so you get great leads there. And Multiple Income Funnel has been in business for over 4 years, so these are all legitimate opportunities. Okay, let's say you like all that and you want to get started. Well, first of all, you go here, and right now they have a special. It's usually $97 a month. Right now they have a special on for $49 a month, and if you get anybody in under that, you make a $20 commission. They also have a yearly plan available, which is another $350, but if you get somebody in under that, you make a $200 commission. That's the route I took because you don't have to worry about payments for a whole year, and you also make it better commission. Then you go and I told you about step 2 and 3. They're each under $10. And okay, now let's say you want to get started. So I basically showed you how you can get started. So, oh, and I keep forgetting about my bonus. And my bonus income, this is another one you get with the system. I have it installed in there. You get 100 leads a day for $1 a day, and at the end of the month you have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody under that, you make a small commission, and you also get another 100 leads a day. So you could have 6,000 leads by the end of the month, and this includes mailing them with your opportunity every day. So this is a great opportunity one for that price. Once you get in there, be sure to check that out. Okay, I think I showed you everything you got to do. That's about all I think I'm going to tell you for today. And I hope you guys are having great weather. We're having great weather this year. And I hope you enjoy your week and your weekend. And that's all I'm going to tell you for today. And thank you for listening. Oh, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like my video. And we'll talk to you next week. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.